Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro Max, and now I'm gonna show you how to exit recovery mode on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to disconnect the USB-C cable from the iPhone and press volume up, volume down, and press and hold power button. Press and hold until you will see the Apple logo on your screen. When you will see the Apple logo on your screen, just release the side key and wait until system loads. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.